Hi and welcome in our workshop. Glad to present you today the Lombard knife.
The Fontenille Pataud team is deeply proud to continue the work of Adrien Giovaninetti in the production of the famous Lombard knife. This iconic model, a symbol of the new generation of Thiers knife makers, is now in the expert hands of a workshop. This knife includes a 40C28N stainless steel blade. We also offer an option of RWL34 superior steel with an hardness of 16 HRC. This high-quality steel will allow your blade to keep its sharpness longer. Please see also our Damascus stainless steel blades, which can be used every day without special care. The Lombard, a slip joint model, features chiseled plates on the top.
I hope you enjoyed this video. The Lombard knife is now available on our website.